my very first projects here at Prickle Thicket was to start a hedgerow along our property line. And so this will be the second year of adding to the hedgerow. The first year I planted bitter orange or flying dragon orange seeds, which are a 20-foot shrub that has huge thorns, which is kind of why I call the place Prickle Thicket. So last fall, I went ahead and ordered 170 seedlings. These are them of 5 different varieties. And so I kind of thought I would show you what I got and talk to you a little bit about why I chose the 5 varieties that I chose. So this is a mulberry. And mulberries, of course, have berries, although not all mulberries do because they have male and female trees. And you need one of each at least to have any kind of berries. But the fruit is okay. Some are better than others. And because these are seedlings, there's going to be a big variety. But what I really want them for is their leaves, because their mulberry leaves are super high in protein and they're great for feeding the rabbits and the goats and stuff. They also take to being coppiced really well. So that means that they produce a lot of foliage without getting super tall. So I will probably not allow these to become trees. I'll coppice them so they stay as hedges. This is a hazelnut, which is, of course, has nuts, which is great, but it also coppices very well, and I will coppice it for wattles and other wood projects. So that is what I'm going to use that for. This is an American elderberry, and you can see it's already sprouting. So this is for the fruit and the blossoms. And I don't know that this will actually go in the hedgerow. It will probably go up in the garden area. So this little guy is a blackberry bramble, and it will definitely go in the hedgerow. I think that it will fill in places where the flying dragon orange didn't actually do very well. And it's thorny. You can see the tiny little thorns on here. And then it of course has fruit, which we'll use. And then blackberry leaves make a good tea. They're diuretic. They have a lot of nutritional value. They're great for pregnant and lactating animals. So I'll feed them to my rabbits and to my goats. The leaves are fairly high protein, so they'll also make a good sort of tree hay. And then this last one, I only got a few of these. They are witch hazel. And you use these to make astringent tinctures. They can also be coppiced like hazel and used as staves or used as wattles. Again, these probably won't go in the hedgerows, but will be planted separately somewhere else. But that is what I got, and I am going to go ahead and soak all these to get them ready to plant tomorrow. So if you have any questions, if you want to see anything else, please let me know and drop me a comment. I love reading your comments. I try to answer everybody, and I will see you next time.